Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video of Bootstrap series, Responsibly Style Radio Buttons. You can use Bootstrap's column access asterisk classes on form elements too. This way, our radio button will be spread out across the page regardless of how wide the screen resolution is. Next, both your radio buttons within a div class row element, then nest each of them with div class equal to column access 6. And as a reminder, radio buttons are input elements of the type radio. Okay, first we have radio button here, and for this we will use div class equal to row, and we'll close the div class here after the two radio buttons to make it a row. And for each radio button we will be using div class equal to column xs extra small 6, and we will need to close it. Now next div, and again we will use div class equal to call xs 6, and later we will have to close it with another div. Okay, let's run the test, and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.